Good morning. Time to say good morning to the horses. Good boy. Hi, Wish Brother. Good morning. Yeah, good boy. Hi, Onyx Magic. Good boy. Today I'm not going to ride you. Today I'm going to ride Ice Wish. I know you don't like that so much, but I have to. She's our new horse. She's our only mare. Hi, Ice Wish. I know. Today's going to be a big day for me and you. I'm going to ride you, and you're going to get your first... I'm going to tack you up for the first time. Good girl. Let's get out our backpack, and let's put on your tail ribbon, just to make you look a little fancy. And then your blue saddle pad, your bridle, and of course the medal that Onyx Magic won. And then your saddle. Good boy, good girl. Now it's just time to go. Alright, girl, we're finally here. I can do this, right? I've trained many horses. You're just another one of them, but you're special. You're actually mine. So, here goes. Come on, Helen, you can do this. And up. Whoa, 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 whoa. I said whoa. Easy, girl. Easy. Easy, stop bucking. Easy, easy. Easy, girl. Easy. Whoa, what is she doing? No, girl, that's a fence. Stop running directly towards a fence. Easy. Girl, stay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy, easy, easy. Easy, easy. Easy, easy, easy. Whoa, why is this horse so wild? Ouch, my head. Can't believe Ice Wish just threw me off. Like, I get she's a wild horse, but why? Why did she have to be that wild? I guess I'm just gonna leave you here to settle in a bit. Whoopsies, I forgot. I almost forgot. I better take off your bridle. 'Cause I guess even though you just bucked me off. Oh, no. Easy, easy. Good girl. I can't believe she didn't buck. I'm so glad. What did I do? I'm sorry, girl. Thanks for staying like that. Better take off your bridle and your medal. Whoa, why do I keep on doing that? Easy. Okay, fine. Maybe I was just testing you and seeing if you could actually hold me on. Whatever, I'll just take off your stuff now. There we go. Now I'm leaving. I'll promise you that, Ice Wish. Finally, she got off of my back. I'm so glad. Why do I have to be the one that she's always riding? Doesn't she have, like, one other horse? I just wanted to jump. Couldn't you see that? I wasn't bucking. I was jumping. I love jumping. I wish I could jump, but unfortunately she had to bring me to this plain old round pen instead of actually taking me to the indoor arena. Maybe then I would have thrown her off. Well, I guess that last jump was kind of rough, but come on, she's supposed to be a great horse trainer who's trained like millions of horses. Okay, maybe that's a lot of horses, but still, come on. Wasn't your fault. just wish I could jump. Now I'm stuck in this thing. What am I doing? I totally almost forgot. I forgot I can jump. I'm allowed to. Well, not allowed to, but it's not like our owner, it's not like Helen said anything. She just left me in here and she forgot that I can jump. So, here goes. Come on, Ice, you can clear this fence. We did it! Wow, yes, we're free. Now we just gotta go to the arena. So, she told me she was talking and she told me it was right up here. Wait, what am I doing? No, it's right down there, Ice. You can see it. Whee, let's go jump. I hope nobody catches me. I hope that they just assume that Helen let me off and do some jumping on my own. Hopefully not. I've never actually been in a jumping area. I mean, when I did live in the Winter Village, I did, after all, do, some jumping over the snow bales, but these jumps are a lot different. Ah, that one looks scary. No, that one looks scary. Come on, Ice, you came all this way. Ah, what's this then? Oh, you just kinda gotta push your nose there? I see, maybe I'll be able to do it. Push, push, push. Oh, wow. Yay, I'm racing, fun. I thought that I could only do this when my owner was on me. Whoa, this one seems hard. Lots of bends, if you ask me. Whoa, what? Easy. Oof. I don't even get this. I wish somebody was on me. And I could actually tell where I was going. And why is it so loud in here? Oh no, another horse. I better quickly go away. Good. I don't think they noticed me. And plus, what are they gonna do? They could get arrested if they take me. So, like, yeah, they're not gonna do anything. Oof. That was hard. Yes, Dad, I am sure I'm good to go. Okay, well then, I guess you can go. Thank you, Dad. I need to go check on Ice Wish. Thanks for taking care of me. My head doesn't feel hurt anymore. Helen, one more thing. Yes, Dad? Nice helmet. Ugh. Are you really joking around again? Whatever, never mind, it's just new. Yeah, well, Loretta gave it to me because of how long I've been in Bobcats. That's nice. Bye, honey. See you next time. Now I can try again, see if I can ride. Wait. Huh? Hoof prints? Guess somebody else came by. I hope Ice Wish didn't nip at their horse or anything. Ice Wish! Where's Ice Wish? Ice Wish, where's Ice Wish? Chelsea! Yeah. Why were you sleeping? I told you to watch Ice Wish. Well, I got really tired, and you can't just put me on the spot. It's not like you gave me any money. Yeah, I offered you $20 to watch him. Yeah, but I couldn't have taken that money. Why not? I don't know. I just couldn't have. Well, now my horse is missing, and it's kinda your fault. Thanks. Bye. Wait! Helen, do you need help? No, I think I'm good. What could he be? Wait! What was the one thing that Ice wanted to do the most? He was jumping. He wasn't bucking me off, he was actually jumping. So, where would he go but the riding house? I gotta hurry. This is getting tiring. No, come on, Helen, you need to run. That's your horse in there. I really hope she didn't get hurt. Ice Swish! No! Girl! What's wrong? Easy, girl. Easy, you're alright. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be okay. You're okay. Let's put on your bridle. Easy. Let me... No. My hand is so bloody, but why? I didn't... It's your stomach. Your stomach's full of blood. Easy, girl. You're okay. You'll be fine. I'm not gonna let you get hurt. You're okay. Let's go to the vet. Hi, Dr. Stacy. I'm here to see you about my horse. Oh, okay, is it Onyx Magic again, or Wish Feather? No, it's actually my horse, Ice Wish. She's right over there. Oh, wow, that's a lovely horse you've got there. Thank you. One moment, please. Sit down. Your number is number 16, and then you can come up. Okay, thanks. I just don't want to wait. It's gonna take too long. Number 16, please. Well, that wasn't too long, I guess. Hi, so, your horse's name is Ice Wish, you say? Yes, yes, it is. And what is, Ice Wish's, breed? She is a Yorkshire wild horse, and yeah, she's actually in the ice family. Okay, let me check her. Okay, I'll bring her closer. Wow, beautiful horse you've got. Thank you. She's my only mare, as you know. Yes, well, she is beautiful. Let me check her. So you said you put your hand on her stomach and she had blood? Yeah. Okay, let me check it. I think we've got a small case of... Has any sharp objects been near her stomach? No, none. The jumps. She was jumping. Were you on her? No, she kinda jumped. I don't know, she jumped out of a round ring, and now she's over here. I just need you to help her, please. Okay, I'm going. Okay. Well, I can patch that as nice and easy. Okay. And she'll be okay? Yes, she'll be fine. Well, that's just great. I'm so glad. You have quite a strong connection with horses. That's going to give way to a lot of your next horses that you're going to train. Why, thank you. Hello, guys, and that was actually my 10 subscribers special. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you